How to add receipt to Starbucks app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add receipt to Starbucks app. To add a receipt on Starbucks app, first of all you'll need to download the authentic Starbucks application on your mobile device. Here in my region, this application is not available, so I'm not able to download and proceed further. But if this is available in your country, you'll be able to download it. And now after downloading the application, open your app, log into your account using email address and password. Once you are logged into your account, you'll also need to ensure your receipt verification is activated. To do so, you will need to provide your email address and phone number if prompted. Once you have enabled that, now you can proceed further. If you have a printed receipt, you can use that. If your receipt has a QR code, you will need to use the Starbucks app to scan it. You will find the scan icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you scan it, this will automatically add the receipt to your account. If there is no QR code, you will need to manually enter the receipt details into the application. There you will need to enter the order details, payment method, and date of purchase. After entering this information, you will be asked to verify all the details are accurate and match your purchase. Once verified, you can save the receipt in your Starbucks rewards account for future reference. So by following the steps, you should be able to add receipt to Starbucks app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.